Truck Spotting Great Lakes. We are on Highway 3 in BC. So Highway 3 runs on the bottom near the United States and all the way down across the BC border and United States border. So we're running across Highway 3 right now. Early in the morning. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning right now. So brightness is definitely becoming bright. So good morning if you're watching this. If you're watching this is at night or whatever. But right now to me it's morning, so I'm gonna say good morning. I hope everybody's having a great day. Or had a great day. It's really not more of a flat spot, it looks like. Now that it's getting bright enough, I can see. But I wanted to show you. Pretty much everywhere in BC is absolutely beautiful. Now yesterday I saw this big truck, it had a big moose bumper on it, and he hit something. I'm not too sure if it was a moose, it was an elk, it was something. It was so huge, whatever it was that he hit, that it pushed the moose bumper in, and it almost looked like he just hit a train or something, bumped into a train or something. I don't know, it was pushed in. His whole hood was pushed in. Obviously he was done. Four wheels was on and he was sitting on the side of his shoulder, but whatever it is, I didn't see any body or anything, so whatever he hit, walked away from it. Probably to find a place somewhere nearby to curl up and die, but even moose bumpers can't protect some of these trucks, but it does slow down the damages. Like I think it was like 2 months ago, I came across 3 deer. Missed the first deer, hit the second deer, and the third deer hit the side of the truck, spun around and took off. I think 2 out of 3 did not make it. I have 202 miles to my next delivery. I only have 3 deliveries left on the trailer. I started out with 10. I had 3 in back there. Anyways, around Winnipeg. And then I had 4 yesterday in Alberta, 2 in BC, and 1 in Oregon, whatever. that is. That's huge. Just walking around in the field. I was doing a time-lapse video, so maybe we'll slow it down and zoom in that section when we do that. Normally I was going to do time-lapse videos all the way through this trip. I don't do too many time-lapse, I do more of this. But this part of BC I haven't really gone through, so like I've gone through across Highway 3 only to a distance to so far to the border, one of the borders, but I'm pretty much running all the way across 3 mile. I had my second delivery, I haven't figured out where that is yet, but this one's taking me pretty much to the border. Probably half a mile to the border itself, to some kind of plant, a farm or something. If I miss the turn off for this place, then I'll be right at the border. I really don't want to do that. Did that once before though. I crossed the border. I stopped off at the first truck stop. It was like the next exit in. Stopped in there, got something to eat. I don't know what I was thinking, but I jumped on the highway going the opposite way, going back towards the bridge, and there was no place to turn around. So I had to go in, I had to explain to them what I had done and get them to allow me to turn around, but of course they had to do a background check to make sure I wasn't trying to smuggle anything in or whatever, and it showed that I just crossed the border. Stuck in, like walking across the field and you end up stepping on a landmine, right? A piece of dog poop. Either you don't know it and you smell it all the way everywhere you go, you end up smelling it, not realizing that it's under your shoe, or you know it and you can't, and you're trying to clean it up, and either you can't smell it, but in your head you can smell it. A little bit. It can get confusing out here, especially with the roads are changing, and drums, big blue drums, plastic drums. So I got 2 skids, and each skid has 2 drums on it. Actually, that's what's being delivered next. And after that, I got nothing but flowers. To it. We got a new member of the family coming in. We got a new kitty cat coming. It's a rescue. She needs a good home, so we decided to do this. She's a Siamese and a tabby, and very friendly. From what I understand, I'll get it for the next trip. But by the time you guys see this, more than likely, we've had the kitty cat for a bit, and her name is Lucky. So we got Chance and Lucky. So Lucky Chance. From what I understand, Lucky's a very friendly cat. Very friendly cat. Likes to snuggle and everything else. So, and Chance loves to do that too, as it is. And the cat is used to dogs and very friendly to dogs. And Chance has been around cats, and Chance is friendly to anything and everyone. So I can see them being like bestest friends. Now we're really close to the border, for that sign back there. guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you come visit us again. Have a safe one. Bye for now.